So Arise as a company operates in 11 countries in Africa, and we develop industrial ecosystems which ensure transformation of raw material into finished products. I think the policy framework is very important part, important pillar of this. The first thing the policy framework does is it allows investors to be sure as to what they're investing and what is the rules and regulations under which they're investing. As you'll realize that each investment is a significant investment, and they need to be assured that over a long period of time, the investments are secure. So therefore, the policy framework is a very important tool. At the same time, it's very important to realize that the policy tool will be very different in each country, based on each country's reality, based on what transformation of what product is being done in that country. And therefore, the tool needs to be very adaptive. It cannot be something which is copy-paste. If you look at a country which is wanting to transform its, say, agriculture raw produce into finished produce, in that policy will be very different because the raw material here is something which is perishable versus a country which is trying to transform, say, timber product which is non-perishable. So therefore, your policy framework needs to take into account that, because we have to realize for the last 100 years we have talked of industrialization in Africa and we have not done it. We don't go to a country to build an industrial ecosystem unless until the country does not invite us. The country has to be wanting to take this journey in terms of industrialization. So that means there has to be a significant commitment from the government in terms of taking this journey in terms of policy framework. The second lesson is that you have to be very focused as to what you want to focus your industrial zone on. It cannot be an industrial zone trying to do everything. So you have to focus on very specific sector that you want to transform this product, and these are the 5 things you want to do to make it happen. The third lesson it's important is that from a financial perspective, you need to be clear that you need to have the ability to finance it till the end, and not necessarily bankers will join you. The regional banks will join you, not necessarily development finance banks will join you in the beginning. So you need to have enough firepower as you start the project. I think fourthly, that you need to integrate all the entire ecosystem in your planning, which means how the raw material will come, how will you source the raw material, things that do you have enough trained manpower or not, or you need to train manpower. So you need to focus on not just the physical infrastructure, but all the things that go along with it. And lastly, most importantly, you need to be patient. It's a journey that will take a couple of years, so don't be disheartened, in first year if things are not moving. It'll take its own time, but it'll get done. And the more the results you have, the more the support that you get from the government.